Okay, in the last hour, we've had a big thunderstorm move through the area. The airport's in the center. You can see where the radar site is, the little donut, and we're right there. So everything has passed through and collapsed completely, carrying thunder, light rain, and a little fog. And Celiometer's picking up the lowest cloud at 8,000 and with a probably overcast around 11,000. But anyway, no low clouds. Let's take a look at what this looks like. And what we have overhead, if you look on satellite imagery, it's pretty obvious. About 100 miles of anvil cloud over the entire area where that massive thunderstorm has totally collapsed. But that anvil is thick and still very electric. We've got in-cloud and cloud-to-ground lightning in the area, almost frequent. My question is, there's no cumulonimbus cloud within 50 miles of the airport at all. The lowest clouds, there's a little scud over there, debris from the past in the distance, but the real cloud base is probably 11,000 with overcast above that. So the dilemma is we have the active thunderstorm, no cumulonimbus cloud. All we have is a decayed remnants of the prior convection, and that's a big thick anvil cloud overhead. Do we carry CB in remarks? There's a cloud to air strike right overhead, but we certainly don't have by any definition a cumulonimbus cloud in the area.